Hey everyone, Dave Cook of Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are removing some wallpaper in our restaurant. I don't know if you ever come across this, but if you ever see wallpaper and you can't figure out what all this fuzzy stuff is, it's actually the backing of the wallpaper itself. So you can see Anthony, he has started getting it wet, and once this stuff gets wet, I mean he just started. So once it's wet, you just grab whatever you can reach. Of course I can't reach it. There you go. That just releases right from the wall. Nice and easy. So that's how you get it off. And then whatever glue's left, you just have to finish wiping off and you're done. So a lot easier than some of the other wallpaper backings, but if you ever see it, that's what it looks like. And if you get it on your hand when it's dry, it's itchy, kind of like fiberglass insulation. But that's what it looks like. If you've got questions about removing commercial wallpaper from your home, business, or other locations, need some help, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you run the space you're in.